to Betty's Cooking Channel. This morning I'm gonna make some mini cheesecakes. And these are the ingredients that I will be using. Strawberries, 1 egg, vanilla. This product here, it helps to thicken the food. Salt, sugar, sour cream, butter, cheesecake, and a little stevia. So let me get started. Here's the 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm gonna add the 1 egg. I'm gonna use the glucomannan powder. That's to help thicken the cheesecake. I don't have any xanthan gum, but I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use about a half a teaspoon the glucomannan powder. I'm adding a half a teaspoon glucomannan powder. Okay, I'll go ahead and add it in there. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of erythritol monk sugar. So I'm just eyeballing it. It's about 1/4 in there now. And now I'm gonna add the sour cream. I'm gonna do about 2, that's about a tablespoon. That's about a tablespoon of sour cream. Adding that in there. And I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt. Somebody said this top is not on here, right? Okay, add a pinch of salt to it. Then I'm gonna add stevia. I'm gonna add about 5 drops of stevia. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so stevia going in. Now I'm gonna mix this well. This is a very easy cheesecake. It's a mini cheesecake with no crust. So it's very low in carb. And I'm gonna add some strawberries on it. Until it's smooth, nice and creamy for the cheesecakes. One of my neighbors and friends, she made some really sexy strawberry dessert tray for my birthday. Which was last week. So I decided I would mix some of my mini cheesecakes. And it depends how much of the cheesecake I have left over. I might make some of her sexy strawberries as well. Because Valentine's Day is coming up. So this is a quick and easy dessert. Let's see how creamy this is. It's pretty creamy. me go and cut up the strawberries. Let me go over there and cut the strawberries up. I washed them already, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut those up, okay? Okay, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and fill the cups up with cheese. I'm gonna bake these at 350 degrees for 14 minutes. Again, these are mini cheesecakes. Oops. I need to put them on a tray. Let me get something so. Put them on this tray here. I love cheesecake. I think I put too much in that cup there, but it'll be all right. I think the next time I will make Jennifer's recipe. This is my cheesecake recipe here. Let me get a few more cup holders and I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fill the last cupcake. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the last cheesecake holder. I love these silicone cupcake holders. They are just awesome because nothing really sticks to the cupcake container. It's all good. If you haven't seen my birthday video, is out there. That was my first live video. It didn't come out too well, but it's out there. That way you can see this celebration for my birthday if you like. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bake these at 350 degrees for 14 minutes, and then when they come out, I'm gonna add some strawberries to the top of them, and I think I'm gonna sprinkle a little monk fruit Richter blend on top of the strawberries. So I will show you that, okay? Okay, I just took the mini cheesecakes out of the oven and they are really, really hot at this time. So I'm gonna let them cool off before I add the strawberries to the top of the cheesecake. All right, I'm gonna get a knife and I'm gonna cut these out and place them on our mini cheesecakes. Like a heart. This is an easy recipe that you can make for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go ahead and freeze these strawberries. That way I can use them for, probably add some to my yogurt or something like that that I have for breakfast. I love strawberries. So let me let you look at the final product. I'm gonna sprinkle a little sugar on the top of the strawberries, just a little bit. I'm gonna sprinkle a little sugar over the strawberries. Okay. This is the final product. Okay, I'm gonna try one. Okay, ooh, it looks delicious. We get a little spoon. Mmm. Oh, this is so good. Oh, it's delicious. Mmm. Mm, mm, mm. So good. Mm. Oh, you have to make this. You have to make this recipe. It is really delicious and easy to make. Mm.
Looks good, looks beautiful. See? Tastes delicious.
You like it, huh?
Yep. Make it hard for me to keep my girlish figure.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, it's sugar-free, so it's keto, so you always have a nice figure.
Fine. Okay.
Okay. All right. You can take it with you. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.